Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix no game detected in Medal TV. So, the first thing that you want to make sure is to go ahead and open up your game and make sure that it is set on borderless or full screen to make sure that the video game is detected on Medal TV. From there, you also want to head over to the application, click on settings, and from here you have the ability to simply detect your game sessions. You have the game detection on the clip settings right here, so just click on add game. Now how this works is to open a game, then click on continue to select it. You will need to focus your game so Medal can connect to it. You will be notified if it succeeds or an issue occurs, so just click on continue. And from here you then want to open up your game. It will simply show up right here. Now let's say that the application that I'm using is going to be CapCut. I'll just click on continue, and then you want to focus on your game right here. And what this will do is Battle TV will focus on the application, which in our case it's going to be CapCut right here. So if I hit on the record button, it will then record my application. As you can see, this is really powerful because CapCut isn't even a game, it's an application. If we head over to the library right here, we can then see the recording for CapCut. So let me just show it to you real quick. As you can see, if I click on this video right here, we have successfully clipped an application, not even a game, by using that feature right there. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.